Hi guys, today we will explain about how to install Microsoft Store on Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing is we cannot uninstall the Microsoft Store from our Windows because it's pre-installed by the Windows. So we cannot uninstall it. Maybe you cannot open your Microsoft Store due to some bug. So let's fix this. Click on your Windows icon, and here you have to search for Microsoft Store. Here you can see the Microsoft Store. Simply right-click on it and click on the Option app setting. Once you will click on it, scroll down. And here you can see the option of uninstall. It's disabled because we cannot uninstall it from our Windows. The only thing here you can do is you can reset this if it's not working, or you can terminate it. Even if you terminate or reset it, it will not uninstall the Microsoft Store from your Windows. So the only thing is, if this app is not working, simply click on the option repair or reset. Then your problem will be solved.